guys, this is Ken back again, this time with a lamp, a little 3D LED lamp that I've been sent by a company called Lamptee. So they sent me this product for me to show on the channel, and it is the first product I received on the channel to review. So it's kind of a milestone for me. It's a very small step, but I'm pretty happy that they actually sent me this. I will also be giving this away on the channel. So for you to be able to win this, just subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. As soon as I've hit 500 subscribers, I will be giving this away. I will be doing a giveaway on the channel. So if you want to, have the chance to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave your comments and your like, and you'll be automatically able to win this. So let's open this up and see what's inside. If you want to get these lamps for yourselves, I will put the link in the description below. So just check out the link. So they have various kinds of models. They have ones that actually have like a little radio inside. You have like teddy bears and aliens and all kinds of neat items that you can get. But some, in terms of the 3D effect, you have to be careful which ones you pick. If you're specifically looking for a 3D effect, you have to pick the right ones. But then I will show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to open the box. So you can see it comes with this. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Just wait a sec, guys. A little quick manual, nothing to see here. This particular model comes with the remote, so you can control the lights with this. And here's the base. So this one has this kind of a cracked effect. Looks pretty cool. There are ones that have like a radio, and I think it has like an alarm clock or something that you can get. Also, I picked this one. And then you have the charging cable. Does not come with any USB charger, just the cable itself. So you have this, the remote, and the acrylic object itself. So it comes protected with this film so it doesn't get scratched. Not very complicated. So you have the remote. I guess this is like a timer that you can time to turn it off when you want. I'm not sure if it comes with batteries. Yes, it does. It has this little tab to pull to activate the batteries. It's a protection. And yeah. So instead of putting some batteries in here, I'm going to connect this via cable to this power bank, this Anchor power bank I have here. And we're going to test it out. I just connect that like that, and then plug it in to the charger. So I'm going to turn off the light so we can see this better. So you tap this to change the color. You can also use the remote to do that. But in this kind of light, you can't really see the effect of the lamp very well. We have to switch off all the lights to get the optimal effect. So I want to turn off the lights and see how this looks. So we're going to peel this off so we can see this a little bit better. Remove the film, you won't get the 3D effect. So now you can see, just press, oops, this is the wrong way around. You can change the colors. White, just tap this and it'll change the color. It's a really slight tap, you don't have to press it, just tap it. That's to turn it off. Long press to turn it off. There are some that have more of this 3D effect than others. So you have to pick wisely. So I'm going to activate the remote and see what we can do with the remote. So in terms of the remote, you can see that I have this upside down. You can turn it off or on. So if you want to speed it up, the changing colors, or slow it down, you just press this button right here. That one's to slow it down, that's to speed it up. This is to shift between colors. See, I'm pressing here, I'm shifting backwards and forwards. This, I believe, you have these modes, I guess, right here. 1. Mode 2. Mode 3. Mode 4. And then I guess this is like a timer that you set, so after 1 hour it should, again, I'm not sure if this works or not. It has 1H, 2H, 4H, 8H, 12 hours, 24 hours. So I guess this shuts off after 1 hour. It should shut off if you press this. And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. It's a very simple little lamp, little 3D lamp, but it looks pretty cool. If you're looking for something to decorate your setup, to complement your setup, it looks pretty cool. And it has this really cool 3D effect. So you have a whole bunch of lamps to choose from. You know, to your heart's content. You have all kinds of different shapes and sizes of objects that you can pick out. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. If you want to win this little lamp, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going to do the giveaway of this lamp, and whenever I post new videos. It'll really help out the channel as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.